All right, folks, imagine this. An SEO agency so invested in your roofing company, they think, care, and act like owners. Scary, huh? Like, what's next? They're picking out shingles for your clients or hosting your Christmas party? But wait, let's zoom out for a second. If that is scary, maybe you need to ask yourself, are you ready for results? Or are you just out here playing house with your business? Here's the deal. If you're throwing 1% of your budget at marketing and then sitting there wondering why you're not ranking on Google or closing high-value leads, congrats! You've just won the Wishful Thinking Award of 2025. If you keep paying your sales team 10 times more than what you'd pay an A-player marketing agency, let me know how that works out for your growth. Spoiler alert, it won't. Look, you want an agency to put their blood, sweat, and caffeine addiction into your success? Then treat them like co-owners. When their success is tied to your success, you'll watch them throw everything into the ring. And I mean everything. Here's a harsh truth. A roofing company in 2025 is basically a marketing company that just happens to sell roofs. If you can't be the marketing company, partner with one. But not just any agency. Lock down the A players. Offer equity. Offer revenue share. Offer partnership. Make it worth their while. Because if you're not willing to do that, guess what? Your competition will be. So stop whining about mediocre results when you're handing out mediocre budgets. Build the kind of partnership that makes your agency want to go all in. Because when they win, you win. And when you win, your competitors cry. And isn't that the whole point? Now go forth, roofing warriors, and don't forget Google loves roofs, but only if Google loves you. See you at the top.